Oh, not girlfriends, all girlfriends. Are they optional extras, or do they come as standard?
Oh, they all come in the car.
Yeah, I thought so. Fabulous car, thank you very much. More manoeuvring required. And here's my friend Peter Fitz.
This is the best in show.
This is an interesting car. This is a BMW 3-litre
Bentley
CSI.
S1,
These cars were
1956.
highly sought after, still are highly sought after. A typical 1970s gear design, incredibly fun. Here's another American muscle car. This car. Something you wouldn't really expect to see here very often. It's a Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396. Tell us a little bit about this car.
This car was bought as a retirement present for a sheriff in Minnesota by local businesses, and we brought it over earlier this year, and it's just been restored by us.
Fantastic. Thanks very much for bringing it along.
Also has my initials, SS.
Thank you very much. Great, thank you.
Would you believe we drove around America in this car?
Pretty little Alfa Romeo. Alfa Romeo, of course, one of the most famous manufacturers in the motor car history, won millions of races in the 30s and carried on making fantastic cars after the war. This is a 2-litre, I believe, twin overhead camshaft, a wonderful car to drive, as used frequently, I believe, by the
A little Alfa Romeo.
1930 Bentley Speed 6. This is the... Just listen to that.
A Le Mans Bentley.
It looks like one of those cars on the...
Oh, they'll bring it to the table.
We have 2 XKs. This is the first one tonight.
Jaguar XK from the
And next up
1950s.
is 1958 by hand. I think it was, they used to say it was 50 engineers had to work for 50 days to build these cars. This car, which was owned by King Fahd of Saudi Arabia, I believe, and Rowan Atkinson at one time, is in absolutely exceptional condition. I think it's 38,000 miles from new. It is virtually as new and has won the prize for the ruling elite. Whoa, 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 whoa!
Prize for the ruling elite.
There we are.
Different than best in show.
Thank you very much.
Enormous.
Can I, my name is Tony Gamble.